This group of homes, located in the Rolling Greens neighborhood, is immersed in the unique landscape of the Navarino Dunes, within the Costa Navarino resort in Messinia, Greece. With an innovative architectural approach and a sustainable mindset, 19 prototype vacation cabins were created to celebrate panoramic views, blend with the scale of the landscape, and integrate naturally into the environment and the aesthetics of Costa Navarino. The design of each one-story semi-detached home 3 bedrooms and fully detached home 4 bedrooms is a study in horizontality. They reflect sophistication and comfort through timeless architecture that combines elegant aesthetics, refined detailing, and carefully crafted proportions, visible throughout the entire residential experience. Each home is organized between 2 horizons, a solid platform and a cantilevered roof. Their discrete positioning on the sloped terrain both benefits from and enhances the topography. On the main level, the entrance marks the beginning of an axis that seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor spaces, connecting the front and back of the home. The private areas, bedrooms, and wet zones are distributed in solid volumes strategically offset from one another. Meanwhile, the living room, kitchen, and patios form a fluid space that flows between floor-to-ceiling glass surfaces and enclosed volumes, creating a smooth transition between interior and exterior in a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Extending horizontally beyond the roofline, the platform offers a generous sunbathing area that includes the pool. It visually embraces the golf course panorama and aligns perfectly with the horizon of the Ionian Sea. The outdoor dining area, kitchen, and lounge complete the fully open indoor spaces, while a fire pit provides a quiet place to enjoy the surroundings. The flat green roof, known as the fifth facade, establishes a harmonious dialogue with the lush Mediterranean vegetation around it, acting as a natural extension of the landscape. It also incorporates solar panels and skylights, playing a crucial role in regulating the indoor climate and enhancing thermal comfort. Additionally, it provides wide shaded areas, offering ideal conditions for outdoor living throughout the day.